welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to color mango.
Wow, a sweet, tasty, delicious mango.
And I also have this new colors.
Wow, look at this.
This is little bit.
Oh, it's okay. Wow, this sketch pen box looks
It's not sketch pen.
It's a pencil color. Wow. Amaira, how many shades are there?
24.
24 colors. Wow. Can you show us?
No, 24 colors. No, 24 shades.
Okay, 24 shades. Wow.
We can also do like this.
Okay, so these are the textures we can achieve from this. Wow, can you open it for us?
Okay. It looks like this. Close your eyes.
Okay, guys, close your eyes. And wow, look at this beautiful pencil
It
color.
also has one sharpener. I will show you on the box.
Show us. Oh my god, it has a free sharpener.
Free sharpener for colors pencil only.
Okay, and these are the shades. Can you count it? Is it 24 or not?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 21,
22.
22, 23, 24.
Yes, it has absolutely 24 shades. Wow, this colors look amazing.
This is not sharp.
Oh wow. Myra also has these sketch pens. Wow. Hi Labubu. What are you doing here? You also want to do painting? Ha ha ha. Okay, bye bye. Okay, Amaira. So we are going to color little cute mango.
Now let's start this dusty mango coloring.
Okay.
Now, today I will use this pencil color and little bit sketch.
Okay, Amaira, let's go. Color this
Mango. I will color this mango orange.
Okay. Let's start.
A few moments later.
So guys, I'm done with orange color. Now let's color yellow color.
Wow. Look at this, guys. This cute little mango.
Now let's color yellow color.
Okay, where you are going to do yellow? Oh, wow. This is going to look amazing. Wow, this mango looks amazing. Do you you like mangoes, Amaira?
Yes.
Do you like mangoes?
Yes.
Oh, wow. How many mangoes you can eat?
5.
5 mangoes at a time. Oh my god.
5 mangoes at one time.
Oh my god. And look at this cute mango. And now what you are going to do next, Amaira?
The chicks and the hearts.
Okay, let's do the chicks.
Chicks will be pink.
Chicks will be pink. Oh wow. Pink chicks.
Mine also pink.
Yes, you're also pink. Okay. Let's concentrate on the mango. And the chicks are done. Okay, now
The heart.
the heart. Okay,
Dark pink.
the heart will be dark pink. Wow, guys, look at this cute heart. Okay, Amaira, what you are going to do next?
The stick and the leaves.
Okay. Now, which color will be the leaves?
Sketch.
Which color?
Sketch pen.
Sketch pen. Okay, take it from here. This sketch pens. The green color, dark green or a light green color? Light green. Wow, this is a parrot green color.
Dun dun dun.
Oopsie, you went out here.
Dun dun
It's
dun.
okay.
Dun 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 dun.
Wow. Look at this mango, guys. It is ready to eat. No, we have to color the stem and the little cute circles.
I will show you something.
Wow, this was a magic.
Now guys, I'm going to brown color.
You're going to use a brown color. Oh, wow, the mango is ready. Hey, Amaira, what about this little circle?
Yellow.
Okay, you are going to color yellow. Wow, you did it so fast. And the mango is?
Done.
Wow.
Guys, look at this mango. How it's smiling.
Yes, look at this beautiful mango, guys.
How many of you like mango? Tell
Wow.
me.
Yes. If you like mangoes, do share this video with your mango lover friends and family. Amaira, do you know which is the mango season?
Summer season.
Yes. We get mango in the summer season. And Amaira loves mangoes. Amaira, can you show them a real mango?
Wait. Guys, look at this real mango.
Wow! Yummy, yummy mango.
Yummy, yummy mango.
Amaira, would you like to share this with me? Thank you. Now I'm going to eat.
Give my mango. Give my mango.
Okay, take it back. Oh wow! Hello, cute little mango. And this cute mango is waiting for you. Okay, so Amaira, tell them to eat mangoes.
Every day.
Yes, and like, share
Subscribe.
to like Amaira.
Share videos with your friends and family.
Yes. Bye. Enjoy
Bye.
this mango.
Bye.